Do you have a salon but don't have a salon booking software? Do you struggle with marketing and find it a hassle to plan ways to attract new clients? Do you want more business? Do you want to simplify the day-to-day running of your salon? We have the solution, WhatSalon Grow. WhatSalon Grow is a free, easy-to-use booking software for salons who are still using pen and paper. WhatSalon Grow is completely customizable to the unique needs of your salon. You enter your staff and tailor their rates and services, then keep track of their roster effortlessly. The booking calendar easily tracks all of your upcoming appointments. It's easy to keep notes on all of your clients, so you remember those special details that set you apart when they visit next. It's essentially everything you need to manage your business. Not only that, WhatSalon has an app for users to find and book a salon appointment in seconds. And when you sign up for WhatSalon Grow, we will showcase your salon to the very people looking for the services you offer. Bookings made through WhatSalon are automatically input into your salon booking calendar. There's no need for data entry. We do the work, we simplify the day-to-day running of your business, we bring you new business, and you enjoy running a busy, efficiently run salon. Sign up for WhatSalon Grow today at grow.whatsalon.com.